Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start in camera view, open your profile and tap the gear icon to access settings. Once inside, scroll to camera or advanced camera options. This is where Snapchat applies portrait enhancements. Make sure flash and lens preferences are visible because the portrait toggle often sits near lenses or AR settings. If you see a face retouch or portrait label, you're in the right place. Next, you'll change the specific mode that creates the blurred background effect. Once you've found the portrait, depth, or face retouch toggle, switch it off to remove background blur and depth processing. You might instead pick normal or standard camera mode from a drop-down. Choose that to force flat, unprocessed captures. Make sure to check both front and rear camera settings. Some phones save them separately. After changing the option, close settings and return to camera. Restart the app if needed so Snapchat loads the new capture profile. You finish by taking a test snap to confirm the portrait effect is gone. Try different lighting and subjects so you can see the difference. If blur persists, make sure Snapchat is fully updated and clear the app cache, because cached settings can stick. Also inspect your phone's native camera settings for portrait mode overrides. Turn those off. If nothing changes, restart the phone, and if necessary, reinstall Snapchat to reset all camera preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.